Hi guys, today I'm going to be here talking about the LG front loader with the bamming noise. A lot of people are complaining when they first start the machine. The hose pipe was making a noise like boom, boom, boom like that. That's actually what is causing this is the water valve that was designed by LG that when it first started, it opened and closes and caused a rapid burst. And that will cause a lot of high head pressure that cause the pipe to start having bam. What we call it in plumbing is called the water hammer. And as we talked about in last video, you will need to buy these from Home Depot. It's called the mini water arrestor. You do need to have two, one for the hot and one for the cold water valve. And these are the two that you will need to have them installed, is at least a channel lock or a regular applier like this. So I'm going to show you how this is going to be installed. So if you can take a look at this, this is what you need to get. And Home Depot sells this as about, I think, $10 a piece. And I'm going to show you how this is going to go. Once you put it in, we're going to turn it on. We're going to demonstrate how this works. And you're going to see it. So let's get started now. So first you will go and you will have to turn off your water supplies over here from the back. Oh, it's having a hard time here. Then you will need at least a plier. And you're going to go to the back of the machine. And you're going to disconnect your hot water hose and your cold water hose from the back of the machine here. Oh, okay, I guess I didn't shut this off, so it's still bursting. So, oh, actually that's the turn off, my bad. Okay. All right, so let's disconnect this here. So once you loosen up this connection, this actually comes out very simple, just like this. You can hand twist them and it comes right out. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the new mini water arrestor here. Once you cut them open, God, I hate these packages. Having a hard time, comes out every time. Okay, so what would you do is you will install this that coming from your house right underneath this mini water arrestor here on the bottom. Also, you hand tighten them first. Soon as you tighten them, take a pair of pliers. You just make a little quarter turn. So all you gotta do is, now you bring this back down to the back where is the connection here. So put it like this. And remember, you always have to hand tighten them first before you actually use the pair of pliers, because these are plastic valves. If you tighten them in any other way, if they're not fitting it right correctly, you start tightening, you will damage that plastic valve over there. So you actually use a plier, you make a little more tight, like another 1 or 2 turns, and that's it. Now this is nice and tight. So I'm gonna disconnect the hot water line too. Just bear with me in a second. Okay. I'm going to be doing the same exact with the hot water line here. Take them out of the package. And what you do is put them up like this. Long this is nice and tight, you do another quarter turn. That's it. Now you bring this right back. Same thing like what I was describing a little earlier. Make sure this goes in straight. You twist it by hand. And remember, you don't need to rush this because you have all the time you need in the world right now. You're not going anywhere. So, you know, rushing can always make mistakes, people. So keep in mind is do everything slowly and make sure they're done right. You know, this is not something too difficult. You definitely will save a lot of money instead of hiring a plumber. So you see, you tighten this. Okay, and then now you're gonna turn on the valve and you check for leak. If there's any leakage anywhere. If they don't, okay. Now you take a look, they're going to sit firmly back in the back of the washer. We're going to show you how it looks in the front. It's hardly noticeable. If you look, that little tube look like a little antenna. It's not very bad. It's not that noticeable. So if you look at it from far away from the washer, see, this is actually where, because now we're going to turn it on. And now we're going to show you that I hit select a normal cycle. I think I'll return the signal off. Okay, so we're going to hit start. So now you're going to see the action here by reducing this pressure. And the machine is waiting in for the clothing to see if there's any clothes in there, and then it's going to start the fill process. And remember guys, this is all the LG machine front loader from all across the board, so it doesn't matter what model that you bought, as long as it's a front load washer, that will be it. So you see the back of the pipe, it does move, but it no longer makes the bamming noise now. So like I said before this, my pipe was bamming and it was making a lot of noise like anybody else. So this is the result, and hopefully you guys will like it and save yourself lots of money from getting a plumber there. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching.